Tornador versus a smoke detector. Our dog had an accident on our carpet, so I thought what a great opportunity to try out my new Tornador Max tool. I lugged my air compressor upstairs, started using the Tornador with carpet cleaning solution in it, and after about 30 seconds, all the smoke alarms in the house started going off. Turns out we have a photoelectric smoke detector alarm system in our house. This type of smoke alarm aims a light source into a sensing chamber at an angle away from a sensor. Smoke enters the chamber, reflecting the light onto a light sensor, which triggers an alarm. The vaporized liquid from the Tornador Max entered the smoke alarm chamber and scattered the light enough to set off the alarm. So using a Tornador inside directly under a smoke detector did not result in the happy ending I was hoping for, but I still love my Tornador Max for its intended purpose. Life lesson learned.